A vehicle of mass m moving with speed v on circular track of radius small r. So this is a diagram. When vehicle move on circular track, m mass of m is a mass of vehicle, then weight mg act on downward direction and normal reaction act on upward direction. The frictional force, static frictional force Fs between tires and road surface, and that static frictional force provide necessary centripetal force. Fs is equal to centripetal force, because Fs static frictional force provide centripetal force, that is equal to m r omega square, that is equal to m v square divided by r. This is the equation 1. This is equation 1. Normal reaction balance weight mg. So equation 2, n is equal to mg. This is equation 2. Therefore Fs divided by n is equal to m r omega square divided by mg, get cancel, is equal to r omega square divided by g, that is equal to r. Omega means v by r bracket square divided by g. So v square, this is r and this is r square, 1 r is remains, so v square divided by rg. This is equation 3. In that equation, for given circular track, radius of curvature of horizontal track is constant. As Fs static frictional force is increases, V also increases. But Fs is limiting value, static frictional force limiting value is mu s into n. They use that equation in equation 3. Therefore replace Fs mu s into n divided by n is equal to v square divided by rg. N get cancelled. Mu s is equal to v square divided by rg. That implies v square is equal to mu s rg, which gives set speed Vs is equal to under root mu s into rg. This is equation 4. This is the most possible safe speed of vehicle on horizontal curve road. Second application, wall of death or whale of death. Whale of death is vertical cylindrical wall of radius small r, inside which vehicles rotate horizontally. Force acting on vehicles are: first, normal reaction. It is towards the center of vertical circular cylinder, and second is a weight mg. which act vertically downward direction, static frictional force which act vertically upward direction. Static frictional force has to prevent downward slipping and its magnitude equal to mg. Normal reaction play the important role, which is centripetal force, and it balance after uniform motion of vehicle in horizontal circle. It balance centrifugal force. In this way we get two equation. Normal reaction is nothing but centripetal force m r omega square, that is equal to m v square divided by r, and second equation, this is equation 1. Second equation, static frictional force is equal to mg. But static frictional force Fs is always equal or less than mu s into n. Therefore, Fs is always or less than mu s. So, less than equal to mu s n. Therefore, Fs means mg less than equal to mu s into n. That implies mg less than mu s into n, means n is m v square divided by r. Get cancel. Therefore, v max square is greater than or equal to rg upon rg mu s, reg upon mu s. Therefore, v max is equal to under root rg upon mu s. This is equation 3rd. Third application, vehicle on bank road. As we seen, vehicle on horizontal track, maximum speed Vmax is equal to mu s rg. This is a maximum limiting value, and this value is not constant because road is not uniform. For this purpose road tilt with some angle theta with horizontal surface. So here we curve road tilt with some angle theta. Here two force act on vehicle. One is normal reaction, which is perpendicular to curve surface, and weight mg, which act downward direction. Most speed, first part, most safe speed for particular road, radius of curvature of circular track, circular road, curve road, and angle of banking theta are constant. So therefore, safe speed Vs is equal to under root Rg tan theta. B case. For designing road, this experiment help us to know angle of banking. Theta is equal to tan inverse V square divided by Rg. This is equation 3rd. But in practice, vehicle not moving with safe speed. C case. If vehicle move exactly with safe speed, Vs is equal to under root Rg tan theta. One is the speed of vehicle which is less than under root Rg tan theta. Centripetal force m v1 square upon r is less than n sin theta. In that case, Fs is along inclination direction. Upward. Horizontal component of static frictional force Fs cos theta and horizontal component of normal reaction n sin theta are parallel to each other. These two forces take care of centripetal force, but these two forces are opposite direction, so equations are n sin theta minus Fs cos theta is equal to mv1 square upon r. This is equation 1. In that case, vertical component n cos theta which balance mg, and vertical component limiting force of static friction is Fs sin theta. These two forces are in same direction, so n cos theta plus vertical component of normal reaction plus vertical component of limiting force of static friction Fs sin theta is equal to mg. Here plus signs are used because that vertical component are in same direction. Here minus sign because n sin theta and Fs cos theta are oppositely directed, so minus sign. Take here minus sign, which take care of centripetal force. These two forces take care of centripetal force, providing centripetal force. These two forces provide balance weight of vehicle mg. Divide equation 1 by 2, we get, so right sides of equation 1 n sin theta minus Fs cos theta, and right sides of equation 2 n cos theta plus Fs sin theta is equal to left sides of equation 1 mv1 square upon r divided by mg. Get cancel, v1 square upon rg. This is equation 3rd. Okay, divide numerator by n cos theta and denominator by n sin theta. So write, but Fs is a finite value which is equal to mu s into n. Therefore n sin theta minus mu s into n cos theta divided by n cos theta plus mu s into n sin theta, that is equal to v1 square upon rg. Numerator and denominator divided by n cos theta. So n sin theta divided by n cos theta minus mu s n cos theta divided by n cos theta divided by n cos theta divided by n cos theta plus mu s into n sin theta divided by n cos theta. So here n get cancelled, sin theta upon tan theta, sin theta upon cos theta, tan theta minus mu s n cos theta cancel. Okay, in that case here also n cos theta cancel, so 1 plus mu s sin theta upon cos theta, n get cancel, only sin theta upon cos theta tan theta. So this v1 square, and that v1 is a minimum speed. v1 is minimum speed, so v minimum square is equal to rg into tan theta minus mu s divided by 1 plus mu s into tan theta. v2, in this case v1 velocity is minimum, v1 minimum, v minimum square is equal to rg times, and in bracket tan theta minus mu s divided by 1 plus mu s into tan theta. So therefore v minimum is equal to under root rg in bracket tan theta minus mu s divided by 1 plus mu s times tan theta. This is equation 5. For mu s is equal to, is greater than tan theta, is equal and greater than tan theta, v minimum velocity is equal to 0. This happens on rough road, bank with small angle theta. D case, if v2 velocity is greater than under root rg tan theta, centripetal force mv2 square upon r is also greater than and equal to n sin theta. The direction of force of static friction is along inclination direction, downward. So this is a diagram. This is a vehicle of mass m. N is normal reaction force. Vertical component of normal reaction force is n cos theta, horizontal component n sin theta, which is towards the center of curve road. Fs, static frictional force, is along inclination direction, downward. So horizontal component Fs cos theta and vertical component Fs sin theta. So here n sin theta and Fs cos theta is on same direction, which provide necessary centripetal force. So n sin theta plus Fs cos theta is equal to mv2 square upon r. This is equation 1. vertical component of normal reaction n cos theta and vertical component of static frictional force Fs sin theta are oppositely directed, so take negative sign, so that two component force provide balance weight of the vehicle. So n cos theta minus Fs sin theta is equal to mg. This is equation 2. Divide equation 1 by 2. We get right sides of equation 1 n sin theta plus Fs cos theta divided by right sides of equation 2 n cos theta minus Fs sin theta. This is equal to m v right left sides of equation 1 m v2 square upon r divided by mg. Get cancel, v2 square upon rg. This is equation 3. But mu f is equal to mu s into n. Therefore n sin theta plus mu s n cos theta. Replace fs by mu s n divided by n cos theta minus replace fs by mu s into n. Mu s n sin theta. This is equal to v2 square divided by rg. Divide numerator and denominator on rgs by n cos theta. So numerator divided by n cos theta, denominator quantity divided by n cos theta. So first RHS equation on RHS, n sin theta divided by n cos theta plus mu s n cos theta divided by n cos theta divided by denominator first term n cos theta divided by n cos theta minus second term mu s n sin theta divided by n cos theta. So here n get cancelled, get cancelled, sin theta upon cos theta, tan theta. Here n cos theta cancel plus mu s divided by n cos theta cancel 1 minus mu s n get cancelled, sin theta upon cos theta, tan theta. That is equal to v2 square upon rg. So v max square is equal to rg times tan theta plus mu s 1 minus mu s into tan theta. So bracket complete. Therefore v max equal to under root rg times tan theta plus mu s divided by 1 minus mu s into tan theta. This is equation 6. This is equation 4. Equal is greater than and equal to cot theta. V max is equal to infinity, but mu s maximum value is 1. Therefore theta is greater than equal to 45 degree. Theta is greater than equal to 45 degree. Next, E case. If mu s is equal to 0, the equation 4 becomes v is equal to under root Rg tan theta, which is safest speed on bank road. Next point, conical pendulum. A tiny mass, for example metal bob, connected to flexible, massless, inextensible string and suspended from rigid support is called pendulum. Conical pendulum is a simple pendulum which is given such a motion that Bob described horizontal circle. Move along surface of a right circular cone of vertical axis. An object perform horizontal circular motion. Such system is called conical pendulum. In that system, tension is along the string, and that tension resolve in two components: vertical component T cos theta, horizontal component T sin theta. Vertical component T cos theta balance the weight of the bob mg, and horizontal component T sin theta provide necessary centripetal force. So here two equations. Vertical component of tension T cos theta balance weight, and horizontal component T sin theta provide necessary centripetal force. So T sin theta is equal to mr omega square. This is equation 1. T cos theta is equal to mg. This is equation 2. Divide equation 1 by 2. T cos theta divided by T sin theta divided by T cos theta is equal to mr omega square divided by mg. Get cancel. R omega square is equal to G sin theta upon cos theta. Omega square is equal to G sin theta upon R cos theta, but R is equal to L sin theta. Therefore, omega square is equal to G sin theta divided by, replace R by L sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta get cancelled. Omega is equal to under root G divided by L cos theta, but omega is equal to 2 pi upon T, that is equal to G upon L cos theta. Therefore T is equal to shift that T quantity on left side and this quantity on right side. So T is equal to 2 pi into and square root under root L cos theta upon G. This is a time period of conical pendulum, and also frequency of conical pendulum is equal to reciprocal of time period. So that is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root G divided by L cos theta.